Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Stream Commerce. So today I'll be teaching marginal costing. Data for 2 periods. So let us start with question number 3. The following data have been extracted from the books of Alpha Limited. So in the given table, the sales amount and profit amounts are given for the year 2012 and 2013. You are required to calculate first PV ratio, second fixed cost, third break-even sales, fourth profit on sales of rupees 4 lakh, fifth sales to earn a profit of rupees 1,25,000. So let us start with the solution. First, calculation of PV ratio. PV ratio is equal to change in profit divided by change in sales into 100, which will be equal to change in profit, that is rupees 1 lakh minus rupees 50,000 divided by change in sales will be rupees 7,50,000 minus rupees 5 lakhs. Into 100, which will be equal to rupees 50,000 divided by rupees 2,50,000 into 100, which will be equal to 20%. So the PV ratio is 20%. Second, calculation of fixed cost. So contribution is equal to sales into PV ratio. For 2012, sales amount is given as rupees 5 lakhs. So we'll record it rupees 5 lakhs into PV ratio. So the PV ratio we have calculated as 20%. So into 20%, which will be equal to rupees 1 lakh. Or for 2013, sales amount is given as rupees 7,50,000 into PV ratio, which is 20%. So the amount will be rupees 1,50,000. So contribution is equal to fixed cost plus profit. So fixed cost is equal to contribution minus profit. For 2012, contribution amount is rupees 1 lakh minus profit. So profit amount is given as 50,000 for 2012, which will be equal to rupees 50,000. Or for 2013, contribution amount is given as rupees 1,50,000 minus profit. So profit amount is given as 1 lakh for 2013. So the amount will be rupees 50,000. Third, calculation of break-even point. Break-even sales is equal to fixed cost divided by PV ratio, which will be equal to fixed cost amount is rupees 50,000 divided by PV ratio, which is 20%, which will be equal to rupees 2,50,000. Fourth, calculation of profit on sales of rupees 4 lakhs. So contribution is equal to sales into PV ratio, which is equal to sales amount is given as rupees 4 lakhs into PV ratio, which is 20%. So the contribution amount will be rupees 80,000. So contribution is equal to fixed cost plus profit. So profit is equal to contribution minus fixed cost, which will be equal to contribution amount is given as rupees 80,000 minus fixed cost amount is rupees 50,000, which will be equal to rupees 30,000. Fifth, calculation of sales to earn profit of rupees 1,25,000. So required sales is equal to fixed cost plus desired profit divided by PV ratio. So fixed cost amount is rupees 50,000 plus desired profit amount is given as 1,25,000 divided by PV ratio, which is 20%. So required sales amount will be rupees 8,75,000.